Last fortnight, the Dean of the Medical College called for a meeting of HODs and faculty members where he announced, without following any procedure, first of all there is no procedure, but even then, that under the corporate social responsibilities, 3 pharma companies have agreed to help the Goa Medical College. One pharma company will dig a new well for water in the Goa Medical College complex. The other one, who are going to supply dozens of almost 100 computers to Goa Medical College. And the third company will be supplying LED TVs throughout the GMC. The Dean has directed the HODs and faculty members to cooperate with these officers of these pharma companies. We demand that this scheme what they are trying to introduce under the guise of corporate social responsibility, that the government should scrap it immediately. If not, I will be forced to investigate who are the ringmasters of this and expose them totally. I don't want to shake the faith in the Goa Medical College, but the way this government is running, the very faith of people in Goa Medical College is being ruined. Now, very interesting is, total cost of these 3 projects is just 5 crores of rupees. Medical college, the Goa government, the health department has pumped in over 100 crores for medical insurance. The budget of the GMC is about almost 70-80 crores. Now you take 5 crores. For what? Now when this you do, you are bound to oblige these pharma companies for prescribing medicines, for buying equipments, or whatever they have. This is the first time from the back door, under the guise of corporate responsibility, social responsibility, you have started this drama.
गोंय सरकारान महिला आणि बाल कल्याण खात्यांतल्या 14 ऑफिसरांच्या पोस्टा खातीर गुजराती भाषा बंधनकारक केल्या. हाच्या फाटल्यान बीजेपीचो राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अमित शहाचो गोंय सरकाराचेर दबाव आसा म्हूण काँग्रेसीच्या गिरीश चोडणकाराचो आरोप.
हालींच डायरेक्टर ऑफ वुमन्स अँड चायल्ड डेव्हलपमेंटान एडवर्टायजमेंट एक इशू केला. जवळ 14 प्रोबेशनल ऑफिसर घेवपा खातीर तेणी एक गुजराती भाशेची ते मागणी केल्ली आसा. म्हाका दिसता पयल्याच फावटी गोंयांत एक गुजराती भाशा मागतात. हातून अमित शाह डायरेक्टली आमच्या सरकाराचेर प्रेशर हाडटा. म्हाका दिसता ही एक चाल आसा तेंची गुजरातच्या लोकांक गोंयांत एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिवपा खातीर. तेन्ना गोंयच्या सरकारान ती ताबडतोब फाटी घेवची आनी तशेंच करून गुजरातीची भाशा आमच्या गोंयांत पोस्ट घेता आसतना ती मागप कित्याक हेजेर कांयच कळना कित्याक.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.